Economics 561, Professor Frederick Bell, Barry Scotton. The iPhone 5S. The iPhone was introduced to the marketplace June 29, 2007. The iPhone is like a mini computer that also acts as a cellular phone. The iPhone's major features are hundreds of thousands of applications that can be downloaded onto it for everyday purposes. Today, the iPhone's major competition is the Samsung Galaxy models. Many people have switched, believing that the Samsung Galaxy is a superior cell phone choice. The Galaxy also offers apps much like the iPhone. The law of demand states as the price of a product decreases, the demand for that same product will increase. Determinants of demand are tastes, population, price of related goods, consumer expectations, and the goods own price. Taste, reflects pretty much the consumer's idea of, how do they feel, or is it fashionable about that product. Population would be these actual cell phone subscribers. Price of related goods would be the price of the Samsung Galaxy models. Consumer expectations. Consumers expect Apple to be innovative with the Apple product, iPhone product. The goods own price. What is the price of the iPhone? Originally, when it first came out, it was $199. The law of supply states as price and supply go hand in hand. As the price increases, so will the supplied amount of that same product. The determinants of supply are production costs, technology, number of sellers, and expectations. Production costs. How much does it cost to make an iPhone? Technology. Can they make the iPhone cheaper by coming up with new innovative ways of cutting costs with the products that are made to make the iPhone, which will then increase the supply of iPhones. Number of sellers in the marketplace. The more sellers selling the iPhone, the more iPhones that you will have. Expectation for future prices. If if the seller expects that they will have more, that the price will go up for the iPhone, then they will most likely hold on to the product instead of selling that product today until the higher price is available, which can either can depress the iPhone market for a period of time until the price goes up. Here is the graph from Appendix A, which shows the quantity of supply and demand of the original price of the iPhone 5S and the current price of the iPhone 5S according to prices at Walmart. You'll notice that the supply was greater and the demand was greater originally when the phone was released in November 2013, whereas today we'll notice that the equilibrium price is less. We have lower demand, which means that we also have a lower supply, and our equilibrium price today is $119, which means we have less people wanting to buy the iPhone. Therefore, the sellers have brought down the price in order to continue selling the iPhone at a discounted price. In conclusion, I actually the efficient markets theory. It pretty much says that the stocks are always valued properly on the stock exchange, and the only way to really make money on the stock exchange would be to invest in riskier investments. In conclusion, the iPhone, if it wants to continue selling iPhones at the $199 value, will need to come up with new innovation. It'll need to appeal to people's tastes and preferences. It'll need to try to recreate the demand that it had originally back in November 2013. The population is still the same, but the consumers' expectations at this point are not being met. So with the iPhone 6, Apple will need to be innovative and coming up with new technology to spark consumer enthusiasm.